By law, your clients must use Making Tax Digital for income tax from April 2026 if their gross income from self-employment and property is more than £50,000. You need an agent services account to connect your software to HMRC. Sign up these clients and manage their records. You must have authorization from your clients in this account. This is different to your online services for agents account, but you can add authorizations from one to the other. To do this, sign in to your agent services account using the Government Gateway ID you created when you set it up. When you're asked, what do you want to do? Choose Add Existing Self-Assessment Authorizations to this account. Then log in with the Government Gateway ID you use for self-assessment clients in your Online Services for Agents account. If you have more than one agent code in this account, you'll need to log in for each code with the Government Gateway ID linked to it. You'll then see any authorizations already added to your Agent Services account. When you originally added authorizations to your Online Services for Agents account, you'll have used a Government Gateway ID. You'll now be asked to enter the last 4 digits of that ID. Once completed, you'll get confirmation that client authorizations have been added. You can then sign your clients up for Making Tax Digital for income tax. You can find out more about signing your clients up to Making Tax Digital in our webinar and on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.